Terra Classic price prediction and technical analysis. How today's video corresponds to yesterday's video, we do not want to miss out. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure the bell notification is lit. I like this comment right here. This is epic right here. BTC, the crypto market is like the internet. Boom, in the mid-90s. We are so freaking early. I completely agree with this comment. We are pioneers, the trailblazers of cryptocurrency right now. Right now, we're going to take a look at Luna Classic. Will crypto recover? Is Terra Classic going to recover? Those who watched the video yesterday, smash the like button, leave some comments because we already knew something like this was going to happen. Terra Classic's down 18% today. And the reason we know that, or we knew that that was going to happen, or, suspected that happening was, well, right here, the MFI is showing us that we are overbought. And we had put this horizontal line right here saying that, at the very least, we were going to have to take a breath, right? Everything has to, you can't just go all the way up, and then come back down and never come back down. So we have to do that. And considering how much volume we had, I was saying that, possibly we could tap right here and then go right back up because there was, trading volume was up over 300 and something percent. So that's pretty epic. There was a small channel that we had right in here, but we didn't hold that channel, right? So now we're going right back to our breakout zone, the same support level, which would be nice for us to hold that area of support. Traditional traders say that people are now have loaded their bags even from here and are still holding on, and that volume is not exiting. All the volume that has came in has not exited. If we lose this line right here, the support on this MFI, we possibly can do where, the trade would be a lot safer to jump back in if those who got out, seeing the SAR flip the dot on the top. That's what I use the SAR for. Not financial advice. Do your own research on how you want to do your entries and exit. But seeing the dot flip on the top, knowing that we were already overbought, the MACD losing that pressure, that lets me know, especially once that dot pops up on the top, it's like that I do it with no emotions like that. It's like, what, that trend is over with. I'd rather wait till it flips back over and I'll go with the flow, instead of going against the grain right now. So finding a support right here on this psychological barrier would be nice because that was that breakout. We had a breakout. We need to make a support there. This was that arrow that we didn't hold that support. But if we made a support right here to go back up to the top side, that would be epic right there because that's a psychological barrier. That would be saying that now we have moved up our zero threshold to the breakout zone, and now the breakout zone has moved up, and then we can go attack the real all-time high all the way at this wick, possibly, sometime in the near future. Obviously, right now, the markets are looking pretty red, but those who are scalping right now are still making money. Right now, we know that we had a chance to do this because we've been practicing this setup, seeing this, the zero threshold, and then the minute we would see a setup, the candlesticks going up, making a support, and then showing us a bullish indication followed by green candles after the support. And of course, we have the SAR with the dot on the bottom flipped over. That lets us know that we're back bullish. Those who got in like this mark right here, the zero threshold, if you look at this line, oversold. The dot was the first one to flip over, and somebody could have rode that trade all the way up here. Obviously, the dots have flipped a couple times, but even then, there was still from here to there profits, small profits. And every time the dot had flipped over to the bottom, you had an opportunity to see if that was that time that it was going to rock all the way up. Right now, we see the dots on the top, so that's telling us that there's selling pressure. Let's go ahead and layer this chart downward, down the time frames and see what we got. Let's go down to the hour chart. As you can see, we still have selling pressure, but the MFI is starting to look in our favor because it's getting into oversold. So is the MACD. Could be that we're still probably going to go a little bit lower, right? Probably still go and touch this support right here, that breakout zone, and help identify that. This is technically not all the way oversold when it's all the way oversold, and it still can go lower than this, okay? Right here, this is a good example of it being somewhat oversold, but I've seen them go a lot lower than that. We can go, this is a whole area of oversold, so you can see how they can kind of change up on you, but nevertheless, it's good to pay attention to. Okay, so let's see if we go down to the 15-minute chart really quick and see if the trend is reversing somewhat, or are we just marching? Yeah, it seems like we're just going to respect this. We can see even on the 15-minute chart, we're working our way down. Oversold, overbought, oversold is next. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. So oversold is next. We're going to wait for these dots to flip back over, find us a support, and then rock right back up. it'd be really nice to hold the support above that psychological barrier, the zero. That's how the chart is communicating with us. And then later on, through the time frames, we'll flip all these dots and they'll land just perfectly to let us rock right up from there. So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure the bell notification is lit. Let me know what you guys think about Luna Classic down in the comments below. Be sure to share the video and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.